Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. For your relationship and career situation, Pisces, I'll be picking one card each from this deck. So this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys, Pisces. So let's start with the cards for your general energies first, guys. So we have Temperance, Ten of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Pisces, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. You are feeling quite emotional today, guys. Some kind of you feel really overwhelmed. Maybe you feel a lot of emotions today in this relationship, maybe, or maybe in your career situation. So some kind of sometimes you feel cheerful, sometimes you feel anxious. So some kind of extremes of emotions you are feeling today, but you are able to find that harmony, maybe trying to get a hang of your situation, trying to understand what is truly happening today. So maybe some kind of a stress you may feel because of your career situation, or it may be some kind of due to some kind of a timeline you need to complete certain work, or it may be this person needs to answer your questions, or they are coming with some kind of a message within a particular timeline. So something which you are really anxious about and you are feeling a lot emotional today, guys, because of that. And I also see that you are in a good place today. You have things going well for you. So basically things are good. Maybe in your career there are not major problems you are seeing, so everything is sailing smoothly, but you are expecting some kind of a news. So for some of you it may be a good news, but for some of you it is a bad news, guys. So your your fears are proving right. Maybe some kind of a negative news or something which you never expected is coming from this person. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It may answer our questions or doubts, guys. Mending. So this card just stands for reconciliation, guys, in our relationship. How to go for reconciliation, or how to mend or how to repair our situation. So maybe inevitably sometimes we are separated. So however hard we try to say sorry, but still some relationships may not work out. So if we want to move positively forward from this connection, we need to forgive ourselves for the mistakes we did and also forgive the other person for whatever they did and move on. Sometimes we can say sorry physically, but sometimes when that other person does not say sorry or they are not willing to say sorry, what do? You forgive them on your own, guys. In your heart of hearts, you just forgive that person for whatever they have wronged you. and forget and move on if you want some positive changes or heal from the wounds that you have because of this painful relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. Observer. So with this card, it just means that this may not be the right time for action. This is the time for you to have a clear idea or a clear vision about your career situation. So what will work well, what will be the right thing, you have to just see, and at the right time you will be able to make the right choice, guys. So you have to just remain curious and watch out for the changes or observe your situation with clarity. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.